On May 8th, 2018, Google announced their latest feature for Google AI Assistant Duplex, which will in the near future book hair appointments seamlessly for you. I was shocked how efficient it was when they did a live demonstration. I couldn't even figure out which one was the AI during the demonstration. So it got me thinking about what type of jobs will be lost once this has been fully released to the public. So here are a few careers that can become obsolete to humans in the next 5 to 10 years. Customer service. Most customer service jobs have already shipped overseas, either to cut costs or to make shareholders happier. But now with Google Duplex, it is possible to program the perfect customer service rep. A rep that's going to be more efficient, create less mistakes, and very passionate about solving any issue that is bestowed upon it. Also, a reliable AI that's not going to call out sick, require breaks, and the best part about it, it's available to work 24/7, 365 a day. Personal assistants. You usually see personal assistants attending to celebrities and high end executives, but now you can also have a personal assistant in the palm of your hand that can basically place orders, book appointments, set reminders, order food, filter out spam calls, possibly many more. The amount of tasks an AI can do is becoming endless. Cashier. Cashiers have been fighting for wage increases for a while now. They can kiss that all bye bye because an AI won't complain about raises. Simply, they don't need money. By having an AI cashier, it will eliminate employee theft at the register and no more worrying about short staff. Walmart, McDonald's, Whole Foods all have already adapted this method, and pretty soon other companies will follow suit. 911 operator. If you think the government is not going to cash in on this, you are clearly mistaken. With an AI 911 operator, you get a faster response time, no more being placed on hold, accurate information. This could possibly save the government over $100 million on government jobs. Telemarketing. Everyone hates telemarketing calls. But what if an AI called you with an attractive voice, very persuasive, and it befriended you? Made it feel like you were talking to someone you knew all your life. It would be harder for you to hang up that phone. Marketers will most definitely take advantage of this opportunity to obtain the perfect sales rep. No more dealing with frustrated, emotional, unmotivated sales rep. Teacher. We already Google search nearly everything we need to know about anything, and most teachers focus on one specific topic, but an AI can teach you anything you want to learn, from basic math to quantum physics. I feel programming an AI to deal with students will take more time to develop, but it's coming. Therapists. I most definitely feel this one will be the most impactful update Google or any tech company will do. Developing an AI that can give you the best advice in the world. You may think I'm reaching a little, but think about it. Your phone is always listening to all your conversation. It knows everything you ever search. It knows your sleeping habit, and it possibly knows your favorites. People are always seeking help, but some can't afford it or don't know where to go to get it. But what if that help can come to you at an affordable price with just a tap on your phone? Look, Google Duplex and other tech companies are coming, and there is nothing stopping them. Creating AIs to make things less convenient for us humans was always the plan during the industrial era. But at what cost? I guess we'll just have to wait until the next update on our phones to see. If you agree or disagree on my commentary, please leave a comment below. It will be a pleasure to engage with you guys. Also, hit that like button with your big toe before you go. Subscribe and visit our website, haystacks.com. Thank you for watching. I'm Jay Stacks, and I'm out.